Performance reviews are a formal process for us to sit down together between managers and our direct reports and tell them about but the year should not only have that conversation should not only happen once a year. It should really be happening throughout the year. So by the time you get to performance reviews, it shouldn't feel like a lecture. It shouldn't feel like some sort of backlash. It shouldn't feel like any sort of, oh, I'm in trouble. It should actually feel, okay, yeah, we've talked about this. We're working on it together. I already know what to work on for next year. This is something that I need to improve on. By the time I get to performance reviews next year, I'm going to have way better ratings. That's the type of attitude that you want from your direct reports. Remember, ask them questions. Get their side of the story, and you want to listen, because you don't know what has been going on, especially if you haven't had conversations with your team throughout the year. You don't know what's been going on. People have personal lives.